What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk about why most make money online videos will keep you broke. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm currently making passive income over on Amazon, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course lays out everything that I did step by step to build a low content book publishing business to over $1,000 in 3 months. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, making money online. There's so many videos out there, but I believe that most of them are going to keep you broke, and I'm going to explain why that is. So most make money online videos don't really teach you how to build a business. Apart from with the exception to Shopify and FBA and things like that. But if you search make money online videos, you're going to come up with a lot of tactics just to make 20 here, 30 there, 100 here, but nothing that's really going to show you how to build a real business. And by building a real business is how you make real money online. So I want to show a few examples of this. So let's go to the next tab that I have open. So all I've done is done a search for make money online. And then if we start scrolling through this, we can see that it's not actually teaching you how to build a business. So this one, how to make up to $15 per hour listening to music. So again, it's going to show you some tactics to make $15, but it's not a real business. So you're not going to make much money. And if we keep scrolling through here, best way to make money online as a broke beginner. If we go here, 4 best ways to make money online. Earn money turning news articles into videos. 10 legit ways to make money and passive income online. Now again, they're not actually teaching you how to build a business. People make these types of videos because they go viral, you get a lot of traffic, and then you can build your email list and sell products on the back end. Now if you watched a previous video of mine, I'll try and link it right up here in the right hand corner. That video is showing you how most make money online YouTube channels actually make money. So go ahead and give that a watch. Now if you want to build a real business online, then find someone who is actually building a real business and sharing their results, rather than just watching videos like these and learning how to make a few bucks here and there. Now there's plenty of those types of channels out there. You just have to find them and watch their content. Now, is there anything wrong with these types of videos? No, there is not. You know, I even make these videos from time to time because it brings in traffic and views and subscribers. But again, if you're happy with just making a few bucks here and there, then these videos are good. But unless you want to build a real business, making $15 here and there isn't really going to help you. Now with my channel, I talk a lot about low content book publishing because that's what I do myself. So that's what I teach, and that's what my course is also about, because with me, with low content book publishing, I've got some pretty good results. I've made over $10,000 in the last 8 months, and other people want to know how I did that, because that is building a real business. So watching these types of videos will keep you broke. Go and find content creators who have built a real business and are teaching that. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.